What happens when you cross the world's largest cat with the king of the jungle? You get a real-life giant. Meet the Liger. Ligers are the hybrid offspring of a male lion and a female tiger. And they're massive. The biggest liger ever recorded weighed over 900 pounds. Unlike their parents, ligers love swimming, just like tigers. But they're also super social, a trait from lions. Here's the wild part. Ligers don't exist in the wild. They're only born in captivity, because lions and tigers live on different continents. Mind blown? There's more where that came from. Hit like and subscribe for more insane animal facts. Oh, and did we mention? Ligers can grow over 12 feet long when standing. Yep, that's longer than most cars.